In this lesson, we will go over the Appearance feature. This feature allows you to change the appearance of a 3D object. This is useful in distinguishing parts and material selections in a complex assembly. It can also provide variety for 3D graphic images. Go to the Modifier tab shown and move your cursor to the Appearance feature. Once selected, a window should appear to the right of your screen. At the top of the window, you can select either to change the appearance of a body or a face of a 3D object. Below shows the current appearance shown in the design. Below the InDesign space, the library possesses a variety of materials, coating, and finishes to provide to the 3D object. This can range from metal alloys, colors of paint, and types of wood. In order for you to use an appearance selection, be sure to download by pressing the downward-facing arrow shown. Let's use paint for this example. Since body was selected in the Apply to Field, when I place the white glossy paint selection on the object, the entire 3D body converted to this color. If we go back to the Apply to Field and change the selection to Face, now we can select individual faces. Hover your cursor over the face that needs to change in appearance. Make sure the only face glowing is the face you desire to change in appearance. You can select multiple surfaces and assign a common appearance to all selected surfaces.